Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and just now tuning into one of my videos for the first time, what is up? My name is Kailey and welcome to my YouTube channel. I usually have an intro and I usually have an outro, but I totally forgot to record that, so we're just going to do a voiceover on it and let's get into it. We're going to start off with the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Eye Cream. Everything will be listed on the left-hand side of you if you want to go ahead and check that out. I listed the products as well as the brushes because I just felt like it would have been much easier on me. So we're going to go on with the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Moisturizer. Love this stuff. This is an OG. If you've been riding with me for a while, since day one, since the very first video, you know that this is a moisturizer I used to always use and just went back to it. Now, a new product, we're using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Now, this is very high rated right now, so I wanted to test it out myself and get my hands on it and check it out and see if I liked it myself. And yes, bitch, I did. It was super sticky. Loved it. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Honey and use that as an eyeshadow primer. This is the perfect concealer to do that too. I noticed that. I'm going to take the KKW Beauty Baking Powder number 3 in the shade Pale Yellow all over the lid to set that. I'm going to then take the Kylie Cosmetics palette, and this is the Koko collection, so the recent latest launch. And honestly, this is of such a pretty palette, but I really don't know why I bought it because I have a palette like this. But I take the lighter shade and use that as my transition color. And then take that yellow shade right there and use that to kind of blend out the transition color so you don't have harsh lines. I'm going to take the Morphecosmetics Ring the Alarm palette by Jaclyn Hill. Use that shade right there called Alert, so it's kind of like a burnt orange. And pretty much put that right underneath that transition shade. I just feel like this orange was the perfect orange to use for what I was trying to achieve. So I feel like that was just the perfect orange. Just like a rust orange. It's actually really pretty, and I'm glad that it didn't give me problems. Y'all know how that is with that palette. I'm then take the transition shade again, and I'm going to use that to pretty much blend out that orange or that color called Alert, so there's no harsh lines. And then grab that shade again, Alert. At this point, I'm just pretty much like building the colors up to my liking and then blending them out. You guys know I like to do that to get a nice blend. I'm going to take that very dark shade. It's kind of like a chocolate brown and place that right underneath that Alert color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe. And just to really deepen it, darken it, give it some definition. This palette is so cute, and it honestly was so easy to work with. You guys know Kylie Cosmetics come through with the formula. It's just I feel like she comes out with the same palettes. So I honestly don't know why I purchased this. I really fell for the packaging. I think it was. The packaging is just so cute. But for the most part, I did create something pretty cute. So, you know, I ain't complaining, okay? I'm just over here buying shit, okay? No, but it is a pretty palette. I then go ahead and use the transition color to blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the crease. I haven't done this in a minute, so I was a little nervous. But I was like, you know what? Just go in case. So I pretty much put the entire time. I didn't edit out anything. I wanted to really just show you guys, like, you know, me getting down on the cut crease or whatever. You know what I mean? I didn't want to cut out anything. So y'all gonna see the struggle. Actually, you know what? I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna toot my own horn. No go. I am beep beep. Because I actually did pretty good. I like the way it came out. And I didn't struggle, which to my surprise, because I haven't did a cut crease in a hot minute. But, I mean, for the most part, you know, I liked it or whatever. Excuse me, you guys, if you hear me swallowing. I'm over here drinking horchata. Actually, it's pretty tasty. And excuse my voice as well. I'm not sure. I'm in between getting sick, but it's not coming, if that makes sense. So kind of got that cracky voice. That's like a perfect cut. I ain't even gonna lie though. So I'm gonna take the baking powder, the KKW Beauty, and just pretty much set that. I like to set my base. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. So I'm gonna take that burgundy shade, that glitter, pressed glitter, burgundy shade right in the middle of the palette. Take some Morphe setting spray to give it the full pigmentation that I want, and I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. And then I'm gonna take the lighter shade, like that kind of iridescent, like an iridescent pink. It was really pretty. We just gonna go in with the glitter shades, okay? Because I was like, we gonna go there. So I'm gonna take the even lighter pressed glitter shade, and it was kind of like a frosty white, and I put that at the end, so I gave it like a little dimension. So the burgundy to the white, it was cute. I liked it. So I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take that orange shade right there. And what I do is just place that right at the top on my brow bone. I don't know why I did this, because later I end up putting the glitter shade, but it's cool. I'm then going to take the Neutrogena makeup wipes, clean everything up. Now I was trying to figure out if I really wanted to take it there and put some colored eyeliner, but I did. So I used the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Halo is the shade eyeliner. And it actually really put a little pop, into the makeup look. Like I actually really liked it. I don't wing it out. I just leave it to the shape of my eye, no wing. And I loved it. I'm glad I made that choice, because I was like, ooh, bitch, like this can go out. This can either be really good or be an epic fail. But I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go for it. Makeup is about just playing, playing with shit, playing with makeup. And I'm gonna take the Toofaced Born This Way foundation. Work in sections. This is like my favorite foundation. I'm running out, but I'm going to restock on that and the concealer, because I just love it so much. I love the way my face looked at the end of this. Like, it made me just be like, I'm going to re-up on this, because I love it. I really do love that foundation. My top fave. I'm then going to set that. So with my beauty blender, pretty much the foundation, just set everything in place, because I used a brush and I just wanted to give it that airbrush look. And then I'm going to take the, I was going to say NYX, the Too Faced concealer in the shade Golden Beige. Blend that out with the Morphe sponge. Yes, honey. I really like the way that looked. So clean. Covered everything. I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in this shade Toast, and I'm going to liquid bronze, which to my surprise, because I really am not a fan of this, but I noticed I switch back and forth. It depends on the kind of coverage that I want, and I knew that the liquid concealer was going to give me even more coverage. That's why I like to liquid conceal. I'm sorry, not liquid conceal, liquid bronze, because I just feel like it just really carves it out perfectly. But I have a love-hate relationship with this technique. I really do, but I always find myself going back to it. Like, my face looks flawless. I'm just going to take the Morphe sponge and, blend out or pick up any excess product that might be on my face from the concealer. As you guys know, I like to put on bronzer like blush. I'm going to just hit the KKW Beauty Baking Powder again. Number 3, and just set everything. Or at least just the concealer. KKW Beauty, she did that though. Like, I'm obsessed with their makeup, like, so good. I'm gonna take the Maccosmetics. This is the bronzer in Delphic, and I'm gonna set that liquid concealer so that it does not budge. I don't like how harsh it looks when you cream contour, but I mean, it is really pretty, like, once you're done. You just feel like that bitch. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to set everything. I kind of take it all over there. And I like how that kind of toned down my bronzer a little bit, so it wasn't so potent. I also use that setting powder to take off the powder from the KKW Beauty. And then I'm just using my Morphe sponge to kind of stamp everything in, take off any excess powder. And then I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray and just Set all that in place. Use the Artistcouture highlight. This is in the shade Summer Haze. And then I'm going to spray my brush to give it the kind of potency that I want. Make it more bling bling, honey. I'm going to take the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette again. I'm going to take that shirt. I'm going to take that color Alert and just put that underneath my eyes. Take that transition shade just to blend out everything. And then I'm going to take that beautiful frosty color and put that in the inner corner. I also put it on my brow bone as well. I then take that darker shade again, that brown, just to kind of smoke it out because I was like, you know, this is kind of missing something. Make it a little bit more deep. I take the Toofaced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using this a little bit more and I do like it. The Eylure Vegas Nay lashes, and then I changed my duo to the latex free because I needed to really bad. It was long overdue. These lashes are so pretty. The Eylure by Vegas Nay, so pretty. I then use a Italia Deluxe pencil in black and use that just to tight line my eyes so that it gives it a deeper kind of appearance. And then I'm going to take the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Toast. One of my holy grails. I'm going to take the KKW Beauty lipstick in number 2. This is the warm nude shade. It was so pretty. I loved it. So creamy. Take the Morphecosmetics 8C cheek palette in the shade Sexy because I forgot to put on blush. Blend out the highlight as well. It's perfect for that. Alright, and I do believe this is the final look, you guys. Now for the outro, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to comment if you enjoyed the look. Tell me your opinion on it. If I killed it, nailed it, you know the whole deal. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, y'all. Alright? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Peace, y'all.